Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to help your commercial clients refresh their space. But spring cleaning isn't just about doing a little extra dusting, it's an opportunity for commercial cleaning companies to add real value, strengthen relationships, and increase revenue in a smart way. Here are a few high-impact services that you can offer this season. Window cleaning. After months of winter rain and wind, windows often look streaky, cloudy, and neglected. Offering professional window cleaning instantly upgrades the appearance of a building and creates a strong first impression for clients, tenants, and visitors. It's a relatively simple add-on service. At minimum, you'll need a window mop, squeegee, bucket, and a quality window cleaning solution. From there, you can scale up your tools and systems as demand grows. Our friends at Window Cleaning Resource are happy to provide you with the best-in-class window cleaning equipment. Visit the link in our bio to get started today. This isn't just about making extra money, it shows your client that you're observant and that you care about the presentation of their facility. It reinforces trust and positions you as a proactive partner, not just a vendor. If they're hesitant, offer to clean a section once at no charge, and when they see the difference, they'll understand the value. Best case, it becomes part of the contract. Worst case, you've strengthened the relationship by doing them a solid. Have you offered window cleaning before? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing what's working for you. Deep carpet and upholstery cleaning. Now let's step inside. Winter brings in mud, moisture, and debris that settles deep into carpets and upholstery. Spring is the perfect time to offer deep carpet cleaning services. Not only does it improve the overall look of the space, but it can also improve indoor air quality and extend the life of the flooring and furniture. Clean carpets make a facility feel fresher, brighter, and more professional. Employees notice it. Customers notice it. And if you don't own carpet cleaning equipment, that doesn't mean that you can't offer the service. You can rent equipment, subcontract strategically, or build partnerships. There are multiple ways to provide the service while still creating additional revenue for your business. As things start to pick up with spring cleaning, staying organized becomes everything. That's where Jobber can really make a difference. Jobber is an all-in-one tool designed for service businesses that helps you manage your entire operation, from the first customer request all the way to getting paid. You can create quotes quickly, schedule jobs with your team, and keep track of every detail in one place. It also makes invoicing simple, so you can send invoices right after the job and even collect payments online without chasing your customers down. And as your schedule fills up, Jobber helps you stay on top of everything with real-time scheduling and automated reminders, so nothing slips through the cracks. If you're trying to stay organized and make the most of a busy season like this, it's definitely worth checking out. Visit the link in the description to get started today. Exterior pressure washing. Let's head back outside. Walkways, entryways, curbs, and building facades take a beating during the winter. Dirt, mildew, and stains build up and slowly dull the property's appearance. Pressure washing these areas can completely transform the exterior in just a few hours. It boosts curb appeal, enhances safety by removing slippery buildup, and gives the property a refreshed look that clients immediately appreciate. It's one of those services many clients don't think to request, but once it's done, the difference is undeniable. I'll be honest, this is a relatively new service that we have been offering, and we've been in the business for over 30 years. The end result always wows our customer. It makes them feel like they just got the keys to a newly constructed building. Again, this isn't just about making more money, it's about that partnership that you have with the customer. These impactful offerings will make them thankful that you walked through their doors and asked you to speak about your cleaning services. High-touch surface sanitation. Spring also means allergy season and lingering cold and flu germs. Offering a focused high-touch sanitation service like door handles, light switches, elevator buttons, shared desks, and break room surfaces helps create a healthier workspace. Position this as part of a seasonal refresh package. It communicates that you care about employee well-being, not just surface-level cleanliness. That mindset sets you apart from companies that simply empty trash and vacuum. Spring cleaning isn't just about making a space look clean. It's about creating a healthier, more professional environment for your clients. When you proactively suggest services like window cleaning, carpet care, pressure washing, and targeted sanitation, you're not just increasing revenue, you're becoming a true partner in maintaining their facility. And that is what builds long-term contracts and long-term trust.